Welcome again to the channel. We have another question on the board. We have that 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 13. And we're asked to find the value of a plus b. All right, so we're going to try to solve for all of the values of a plus b that we can realize from this equation. So let's start. Solution. All right, so we have that 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 13. So what do? We can multiply both sides by AB. And if we do that, we have AB into 1 over A plus 1 over B equals AB times 1 over 13. And if we do that, we have AB over A plus AB over B equals AB over 13. So the A cancels out, the B cancels out, and we have B plus A is equal to AB divided by 13. Now, we can also get rid of the 13 in the denominator on the right-hand side by multiplying both sides by 13. And if we do that, we have B plus A equals 13 times AB over 13. Now 13 cancels out on the right-hand side, and we can open the bracket on the left-hand side such that we have 13b plus 13a is equal to AB. Now, if we move the 13b plus 13a to the right-hand side, we have AB minus 13b minus 13a is equal to 0. Okay, so this is some kind of manipulation because of what we're trying to achieve at the end. Okay, so now we know that minus 13a is the same thing as minus 169 plus 169 is equal to 0. Minus 169 plus 169 is equal to 0, which is the same thing as meaning that there is nothing at that position after minus 13a. Okay, so what do we do next? Let's try to collect some like terms. Let's collect AB minus 13b. Let's collect so we'll say plus on that side, and that becomes our minus. Okay, so let's collect minus 13a minus 169. So there's a minus here because minus times minus will give us plus on there, right? So let's carry on. Minus 169 is equal to 0. So we have AB minus 13b and we have b. We can factor out b from there such that we have b into a minus 13 in parentheses. Then minus, we can, from 13a minus 169, we can factor out 13. And we have a minus 13 because 13 times 13 will give us 169. So this is minus 169 equals 0. So a minus 13, we can factor that out. And we have b minus 13 equals, we can move this to the right-hand side, and it becomes 169. So this is where the manipulation has led us to. And so we have a minus 13 in parentheses times b minus 13 in parentheses equals 169. So from here, what do we do next? We're trying to find the value of a and b. So let's break down 169. 169 is the same thing as 13 times 13. That's one possibility. 169 is the same thing as 1 times 169. And also 169 is the same thing as 169 times 1. So we have these three possibilities. Okay, so now let's start. Start with the first possibility, possibility 1. We have a minus 13 into b minus 13 equals 13 times 13. So what do we have? We have a minus 13 equals 13, and we have b minus 13 equals 13. This becomes a equals 13 plus 13, b equals 13 plus 13. So therefore our a is 26 and our b is also 26. This is one possibility. So possibility 2. We know that a minus 13 times b minus 13 is equal to our second possibility was 1 times 169. So we have 1 times 169. So now that means we have a minus 13 equals 1. And then we have b minus 13 equals 169. And this becomes a equals 1 plus 13. And this becomes b equals 169 plus 13. So now let's add these values up so we can find the value of a. A is equal to 13 plus 1 will give us 14. B is equal to 169 plus 13. We have 2, 8, 182. And a plus b, we're supposed to find the value of a plus b, is 182 plus 14, which will give us 6, 9, 196. So if we go back here to add this up, a plus b here will give us 26 plus 26, which will give us 52. Okay, so a plus b here gives us 196. Now let's go to possibility number 3. We have a minus 13, b minus 13 is equal to, what is it? We have 169 times 1. 169 times 1. So we have a minus 13 equals 169. And we have b minus 13 equals 1. So this becomes a equals 169 plus 13. This becomes b equals 1 plus 13. So our A is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. 6 plus 1, 7 is 8. And then we have 1. Our B is equal to 14. So our A plus B, if we add up, becomes 6, 9, 196. So this is the answer that we have for possibility 3, answer for possibility 2, answer for possibility 1. So A plus B has 3 answers: 52, 196, and 196. These are the answers to our question. So I hope you've learned something new today, and if you have, please like and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. If you like more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. That would be most appreciated. And thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.